Think your pan choice doesn't matter? Think again. The cookware you use not only impacts how your food cooks, but also its flavor, texture, and even its health benefits. Let's explore how making the right choice in cookware can elevate your cooking experience. First, let's talk materials. Stainless steel pans are a kitchen classic, known for their durability and exceptional browning capabilities. Cast iron, a favorite among many chefs, retains heat incredibly well, making it ideal for searing or slow cooking. Looking for something lighter? Carbon steel offers similar benefits to cast iron, but with less weight. For those who prioritize convenience, non-stick pans are a go-to, but it's crucial to choose ceramic or PFAS-free coatings to ensure safety from harmful chemicals. Safety is another critical factor. Now, on to heat distribution. Even cooking is key to a great meal, and multi-layered pans with aluminum or copper cores distribute heat more evenly. This reduces the chances of burning. Investing in such cookware ensures every dish is cooked to perfection. Safety is another critical factor. Versatility is a bonus. Look for pans that can transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven and work across various heat sources, whether gas, electric, or induction. A versatile pan means fewer tools in your kitchen and more freedom in your cooking. Maintenance is often overlooked but equally important. Avoid common mistakes to extend the life of your pans. Overheating non-stick surfaces or using metal utensils can cause damage. Ultimately, the cookware you choose should align with your cooking style and needs. Stainless steel for everyday tasks, non-stick for delicate foods, and cast iron or carbon steel for high-heat cooking. Remember, your pan isn't just a tool, it's a partner in creating delicious meals. Invest in quality, non-toxic options, treat them with care, and they'll reward you with better results every time. So what's your favorite pan to cook with?